Saginaw Township firefighters were called to 1583 Allendale Wednesday afternoon after neighbors reported seeing flames coming from a basement window. On arrival, Saginaw Township firefighters found heavy smoke and flame in the two-story home. No one was home at the time. Additional units from Thomas Township were called in to assist the firefighters. One firefighter suffered heat exhaustion. He was treated on the scene and returned to duty. The cause of the fire is under investigation. This is Dave Summers for the Saginaw News.